Hey, Dr. Lindsey here. This is a 6-year follow-up on repair hair transplants and of a central part area that was not really done and tweaking of the hairline. So this guy's roughly my age. I think he's 60, so maybe when he was 53 or 54, he came in and he'd had 2 or 3 hair transplants done by people that kind of dabble in hair transplants. And as I've stated in many videos, prior to 2006, I kind of dabbled in hair transplants, and if you don't do them all the time, you don't get really good results because your team isn't that good, and you're really not sure what's supposed to happen. And so he didn't turn out to be a disaster. He just, in this picture as you see here, he didn't have any hair up his central part, and I'm not sure why. I mean, there's a few grafts there. So I'm not sure I didn't put enough hair in the middle. My hunch is that whoever was doing it felt like, oh, we don't want to damage these hairs and they'll be there forever. And usually if you got bad genes, those hairs are going to go, so you might as well do it correctly the first time. But nonetheless, we needed to fix this central part line and then add some hairs to the front. And I remember the day we did him, it was like testosterone day now. So we had a special forces dude that was a couple days out. We had Sergeant Steve, my favorite Marine of all time, and this guy who's a ship captain. And it was crazy. These guys all talking war stories and stuff. And so we did his case. He did his own cleaning, which was okay. And then he called Wendy and wanted to come back over. He lives a couple states away. And so he walked in and we took these pictures. So he looks unremarkable from conversational distance in this close-up view of his hairline. His hairline does not look like a hair transplanted hairline, meaning it's got some irregular lines. It's not a perfectly straight line. And his central part, it's got hair in it now, and it's about 6 years out. We do lots of repair procedures. I would guess that prior to COVID, it was about half. During COVID, everybody was a brand new patient, and now it's back to about half of our patients are people that have had hair transplants someplace else and want a little bit more. We're happy to help you. Please give us a call. Thanks.